Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I want to do today guys is show you how to remove elements, people, distracting objects, unwanted elements from your image as easily as possible. In this particular instance here, I have all these people in the sea and I don't want them in the sea. I don't mind them on the beach here having a nice time and relaxing, but in the sea I would like to remove them. So what I'm going to do is use our spot healing brush tool. First thing I'm going to do is add a layer here. And if we come to our spot healing brush tool, which is situated here, what we're going to do is make sure that we have sample all layers ticked. And this is where you can come through here and to decide upon the size and the hardness of your brush. I'm pretty happy with it being at 200 pixels in size and 100% hardness. Now, what I need to simply do is come through and just click and drag with my mouse and just start removing the people like so. And as you can see, very impressive. Photoshop is able to recognize that you would like to remove those elements just by simply clicking and dragging with your mouse. Like so, I'm just going to come through here. Don't worry, these people are all okay. They're just being removed in our Photoshop software, but they're still alive and they had a lovely holiday as well. So. And there you have it, guys. If I now was to turn off that top layer, that is the benefit of the spot healing brush tool. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.